When I first started telling people I was going to RV full-time, they looked at me like, "You're nuts. Isn't that what old people do?" But I know something they don't know. And that something is Xscapers. So I'm here in Salida, Colorado with the Xscapers RV Club. And the Xscapers RV Club is different than what you think of RV clubs. This is for working age professionals that like to be active and go out but still have day jobs.
My name's JP Smith. I'm the Convergence Director for Xscapers RV Club, an RV club geared towards working age RVers.
So tonight they're doing this thing called the lot crawl, and I didn't know exactly what it was, but essentially the way that I would describe it is like trick-or-treating for adults, because instead of going house to house and getting little bite-sized candy bars, you go rig to rig to rig and you pretty much get booze.
It's Deep Eddy Vodka Texas Tea.
Sure.
Okay.
Warm up.
The lot crawl is a lot of fun. Everybody gets a chance to host and show off their houses, because touring the RVs is always a lot of fun. You get great ideas. And then we ask people if they want to, you don't have to, but if you want to, provide something for the community while they're around. So some people do provide beer or wine, some do shots, others do candy and chips and non-alcoholic drinks. So we finish with one area, the whole group moves to the next area.
So as you know, Xscapers is a working group, so everybody in the rig works in different areas, but you gotta check out this system right behind me.
What the hell is that?
See this right here? Yeah, I got rid of the coach, and you created this whole work area. And
play area. We were going to do full time, and I'm not doing full time if I can't game. We need a gaming PC, and I'm taking my monitor. I gained the ability to go wherever we want, because I already worked remote. It didn't matter.
So tell me about this rig behind you.
Oh, that's our party in a box. This thing is a rolling party in a box. Party in a box. This is the Escapees mobile event trailer that was built custom for us. It was made from ideas that we drew up collectively and put together. A 40-foot long trailer with 2 stage doors that open up so that we can have bands or activities or comedians. The whole thing is powered by sun. There's a dozen lithium batteries provide us more power than we can use. And then inside the trailer, tables and chairs side for 300 people. So we can literally pull up in an empty field, have a band playing off solar power with 300 people seated. Our events are often late into the evening, and some of the dance parties have been known to go until the sunrise. We try to keep the music down and away from everybody, and you don't have to attend, but some of the dance parties go really late. It's a chance for young working RVers to get together and enjoy each other's company.
Tonight it is Xscapers night at the Elevation Brewery Company, which is right. It's this way, but I don't know if I can. Can I get the filter, please? Sure. Tonight, it's Status Crow's night on the big rolling party bus thingy, whatever JP called it.
Party in a box.
Don't leave! Don't leave! We'll be back. We promise we'll be back.
It looks like that last rainstorm scared everybody off, and now they're set up in the barn. So in addition to all the official activities that Xscapers puts on, there's also a lot of community-generated activities. But one of the members here teaches a yoga class every morning. And then a bunch of people got together and they put on pickleball clinics and pickleball games. A lot of people got together and took a train ride. So there's a lot more activities that are not the official ones, but are generated by members of the community.
Xscapers has about 20,000 members. About 10% of the attendees are in vans, 2 or 3 people in home-built box trailers, 25-year-old falling apart motorhome. Some of these RV clubs, if you're not in $1 million motorhome, then you get shunned or snubbed. And out here, nobody cares. The best way to see if it's for you is check out the Xscapers website and the convergences that are coming up.
And now you know what I know. Xscapers, the RV club for working age adults. Check them out at xscapers.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I travel full time in my Super C RV. If you want to see more, check out this video here from the very beginning, from day one when I picked up my rig, or check out the latest video here. Thanks for watching Claim Division. We will see you in the next video.
This ain't your grandma's RV club.